Hey guys, Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Got a bargain bike special, a 2014 Harley Davidson Sportster 1200 model. It's got that old school bobber look. We're gonna sell this one as is. We test rode it, got it cleaned up, made sure it passed the Texas state inspection. As you can see right away, it's missing the front fender. I'm sure somebody took that off intentionally to give it that bobber look. It's got the fat tire on the front, plenty of tread on it as well. It's got some nice upgrades on it. It's got an upgraded heavy breather and some chrome sweat pipes, nice and loud. It's also got these upgraded mini Z bars. Got the underhung mirrors here. It's a 1200cc fuel injected V-twin, 5-speed transmission. It's got forward controls on it. This one's set up for a solo rider, so it's got the solo seat, no passenger pegs. The paint's actually in really good condition. It's got a few little marks. You got one back on the strut. Good tire on the rear. It's got the side mounted license plate. Got a little scratch right there on that side piece. Got your battery tender pigtail right there. This one's got low miles on it. It's got let's see here, 3,611 miles. Pretty loud. If you'd like to know more about this 48 Sportster, you can contact our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151, or you can check out our website at cleanharleys.com and see our full inventory. We offer excellent finance and extended warranty options. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all around the world. So it'll be real easy to get this one to you. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. The freedom to choose.